Speaking of automation, efficiency, Starbucks is eyeing walk-through only stores with obviously through utilizing technology and not necessarily self-checkout, but on the app you can order for pickup and then you just would walk through these new age Starbucks where your thing would already be ready to go and there'd be no standing around or waiting around. So Starbucks post pandemic has been investing in a lot of drive-through locations in the suburbs, increasing the number of drive-through locations to lower obviously contact. But that doesn't do much for those urban locations where people are mostly on foot. And so they've been trying to figure out a way in which, to modernize their stores to deal with the current landscape for those that are on foot. And that's what they're doing here with these walk-through stores. So here's the quote. What we're trying to do is build the equivalent of a drive-through in a dense metropolitan area, which I like to think of as a walk-through. In the United States, the stores are simply called Starbucks Pickup. In mainland China, which is the fastest growing market for Starbucks, they're going to be called Starbucks Now and could make up to 10% of the stores out of the total of 600 that it's planning to open there next year. Now, they're going to still have regular Starbucks, and they're going to try to place these pickup or express Starbucks near full-fledged Starbucks. So if a person's still looking for that, I guess that is nearby. But maybe it's as a tester, they'll see what percentage of customers actually are willing to do the walkthrough experience. And if the numbers look good, then maybe they're going to go that direction with more of their new stores.
Yeah. It would be nice to have like a picture of what the concept might be, because you said that it's going to be near a Starbucks.
Yeah.
But it's not attached to it.
No, they said a 5-minute walking distance of a Starbucks.
Interesting.
That would help them out from a supply perspective to have, from a delivery of their inventory perspective, to have efficiency in that standpoint, and to serve more customers.
Yeah.
Because anybody in a neighborhood lives within a proximity that allows for a 5-minute walk. So a person could then figure out their new habit without feeling like they lost out on the pre-existing Starbucks.
Yep.
Anyway, they're also launching new products to help with global growth, as you would do if you were Starbucks, including a new shaken iced espresso with brown sugar and oat milk.
Oh, the brown sugar is getting everywhere.
Brown sugar is huge right now.
Yeah.
It's a massive trend. So, and they're also going to launch oat milk in all the U.S. stores this spring.
Oh, right.
I don't know. I didn't know that it wasn't in all the stores yet, because I think Kirk's been drinking the oat milk for...
Yeah. There's oat milk and bubble tea now.
People are loving the oat milk.
It's a thing.
Brown sugar and oat milk they're taking over.
Yeah.